In this video, I'll show you how to make a GIF in Photopea. Here I have the two images that I want to show you. First, you click on the layer that is on top and you add a raster mask. Here it is. Sometimes they call it layer mask. It's the same thing. Make sure you choose the black color. Here I will switch it here in the colors between black and white. These are the colors for the raster mask. Always make sure these are the colors that are chosen when you are working with raster mask. So go to edit, fill, and in foreground as in this one. Okay. Now since the black mask is hiding our image, we will start working on the reveal. So we will do part by part to slowly reveal it frame by frame. So now let's make the first frame. We choose the rectangle selection and then make a selection like this. And then this is important. Now since we are going to reveal parts of the image, we need to switch the colors from black to white like this. And then go to edit, fill, same thing foreground. Okay. As you can see here, a small white has started to appear right here. Then simply what we do is we duplicate this layer and rename this one like this, underscore a underscore frame 1. This is our first. When making the second frame, always make sure you click here on the mask of the original image. This has to be clicked. Please remember this. And then we repeat the steps again. So we go to the selection tool, we make a slightly bigger selection, and then we go to edit, fill, and we fill it with the white color. Okay, as you can see here, it filled a little bit more. Then just duplicate the layer and then change the name of the duplicate layer to the same format. So it's a frame 2. The more frames you put, the more smooth the GIF will be. And here is the last frame. You make it to fill the canvas. Same thing, edit, fill, okay, and then duplicate, add in the name, and this will be layer number 20. So this is frame number 20 for me. And then simply just deselect. Once you are finished, now you can export the image. But first, do this crucial step. Remove this eye from the original image with the mask. Just remove it so it doesn't mess up anything. After that, just go to File, Export As, go to GIF. Click OK if you get any message like that. You name it. From here you control the quality, the speed, reverse. You want it to start from the left side or from the right side, from whichever side you want. For me, I just want to save it so I can show it to you. And if we click here on it, it will play for us. And here is our finished GIF. After you export it, if you see there is something wrong with it, like one of the frames or the speed or the direction you don't like, simply just go back to the canvas, export it again, or add more frames to it. You can adjust from here. Always make sure to save a PSD just in case you need to edit or change something about it more. Because honestly, making these 20 frames is a lot of work and I don't want to do it again. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.